let's get to household issues. This mortgage payment. The headlines in the Age newspaper this morning are a shocker. Fixed mortgage rates, they say, will tip people over a $16,000 cliff. This is analysis from KPMG that says anyone on an average mortgage of around $600,000, which is not a big mortgage if you're in a capital city. If you come off fixed rates that was set when they were nice and low to pick up what's available now, you'll cop $16,000 plus in your interest increases this year. And now, how on earth does an average Australian pay for that?
Well, I think with a great deal of difficulty. And I think, you know, I'm not sure I'm that critical of what Phil Lowe is doing at the moment. If it wasn't Phil Lowe, it was another governor, they'd be doing what he's doing now, which is, I think, sadly, ratcheting up the cash rate to try and rein in inflation. Where he made the mistake, and indeed other members of the bank made a mistake, was in their reaction to the pandemic, which was to push interest rates way too low, to engage in this, what we call quantitative easing, bond buying exercise, but then telling everyone that the interest rates were going to stay low till 2024. Now, you know, that was highly misleading. And so a lot of people, I think, must feel very bitter about that, because if you thought the interest rates, I mean, they were so low. Don't forget how low they were. You could get a mortgage rate under 2 if you're lucky, but certainly around 2. And now you've faced the prospect of 6 or even higher. I think, you know, we are going to see some fallout. And that's the problem for the government, is that they know for sure that the economy is going to slow. Is it going to hang in sufficiently so unemployment doesn't rise too much and, heaven forbid, go into a recession? But Peter, you made a really important point. I mean, there is a degree of hypocrisy at the moment of the government in that this budget is being incredibly favoured by our high commodity prices. And here we are, coal, gas, iron ore. Is this a government who really wants to support those industries? No. So, you know, it seems to me that they're happy to accept the additional revenue. I might add through agriculture a little bit as well. And yet they are, in fact, very hostile to, I think, further investment in those industries.
You're not wrong, Judith Sloan. We'll watch it closely. Thank you.